Students, in this video, we're going to talk about some secret tactics. Now it's not so secret anymore because I'm going to share all these things just for you. So please listen properly and so you know how to navigate this arduous journey in research with a tint of convenience because of these tools. Let's start. Hey, let's go to the very first one. We're going to talk about some things that you may want to add on your browser. Of course, you know that Google Scholar is a staple for any researcher, right? Okay. You keep searching here over and over. Dewey Girai. If you have some topics that are related to my previous works, then please don't hesitate to cite them as easy as this. Okay. But this is wrong in terms of capitalization. Should be capital B and capital E. And this should be capital A and just put the DOI and it's good to go. But going back to what I was saying, it's a staple and so it should be there near now in your browser. For example, if you're going to take a look of some research on science of on an AI, let's just change it on AI in education. Okay, let's just go here and you wanna cite it. You just copy this one. Okay, copy until this part. Hopefully this will show up. No, Zang. Okay, my bad. I've copied everything. Let's go. Let me just have this one. How about this? Let's just pray it works. There you go, it works. Just click this one and copy and cite it. There you go. This is so nice. Have Google Scholar extension and you'll see its benefits. But that's not it. I want you to utilize another extension. By the way, how would you get that Google Scholar extension? Search it and then click that one. Whatever your browser is. I'm using Edge. This is not Google Chrome. It's also applicable to Brave. Just click this, get, and you will be able to experience its advantages. Next is the SciSpace extension. You know SciSpace? That is one of my very wonderful ally in terms of literature review. It's now on typeset.io until 2024, according to this, and it will direct you there. Just give some questions there. What is prompt engineering? Okay, and it will show up several answers. Very wonderful because if you're gonna see this one, it's still loading. Mhm. Yeah, the answer is there. Okay. And then citation is there. Just be careful. Some of the citations here are not that perfect, and you need to manually search for all these things. That's the only pitfall I get to see here, but yeah, it would help you in conveniently gathering answers to your questions. There's an extension of that as well. Let me just go to Google Scholar. No, not Google Scholar. Where am I now? What's the essence of life? Size space extension. There you go. Do hours of research in minutes. No thanks. Okay. And this one. Why did I say no thanks to doing research in minutes? It should be yes. with full conviction. Yes. Okay, you just click this one and this will show up. This is helpful as well. You're gonna take a look on summarizing a certain research paper, AI in education. Let's go with Elsevier. Oh no, I don't see any article. There you go. I see one. Where are you now? Just need to click this link. This icon. Launch it, and you ask some questions. I want to know what is the purpose of this paper. I just click on that, and it will give me an answer. Just be careful. The citations are there. Mm, this importance. What are the disadvantages of AI in education? Wait for a minute. No, not really a minute, maybe some seconds. There you go. And all these things come from this paper. You can utilize that in your discussion or in the literature review. Then use Google Scholar, copy this, and voila, you're good to go. One key tactic. Want to learn more? There's a broader of size space. I love that as well. This is what you call consensus AI powered academic search engine. By the way, if you are doing a literature review, make sure you do not try to own the work of others. That's technically plagiarism. You need to cite them, even you paraphrase it or not. Okay, is large? What is a large language model? Mhm. It starts still in the deep parts of the abyss. Large language models. This one, you just need to copy it. Okay. There's a citation there. Good. Mhm. Just be careful, people, because there are some instances that the citation or the references are wrong. Should be small letter, small letter. Hmm. You need to do it really manually. How many times do I need to say that? Manual verification and oversight is the prime here. Do not relegate everything to AI tools. Consensus. Helpful. So the next time around, I don't want to see a paper which is lacking in terms of citations. Huh? Next is this one, cross-reference. Just search for this, cross-ref, simple text query. There you go. It will give you this one. Oh, this is not what I'm looking for, but yeah, just click this. No, 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 not that. It was a joke. This one. And it will lead you on this magical box. It will help you to give the different DOIs. So we don't need to manually check them over and over. Okay. For example, I'm just gonna go to Google Scholar right now. Scholar. I'm gonna go with this. Okay. There's some errors I see in terms of capitalization, but that's fine. I'm just gonna go with some notepads here. I'm gonna put it there. Hey, where's the next? Mhm. Let's just have five. How about my work? Self promotion for the win. Yes. Okay. Let's be chill. Meanwhile, if you see there are some works here, of course, in my name, which are related to this to the one that you're crafting, then please don't hesitate to search. Please don't hesitate to cite. That's promoting what is local, and it will help you. Indeed. One last. I'm gonna use this. No. By the way, this is one of the fruits of size space. Might might give you some information. Just be careful because there are some hallucinations. We don't want that as well. Ah, Luigi Rai. I mean, it doesn't work actually if you're talking about the name of a researcher of a person. Research for self-esteem, and we'll give you some ideas of steam scale. No, not that. This one. Size space. Please show up before I move on to the next thing I'm about to discuss. A month. It's tolerable. This one. I don't advocate that you copy this. You go with something that will help you, and you might get to cite one. Hopefully, this can be searched through Google Scholar. Oh no, it doesn't work. Let me see. One last. I'm just gonna copy this, or maybe I just clicked it. And that's the preferred way. Uy, you better work. Mm-hmm. Just gonna go with this one. There, I clicked it. Just cite it. This is a very bad way of referencing. It doesn't have the journal, the volume, the issue, the pages. So you just go with, how do I do this? This one site, and then maybe this is the title. No, no, it's not. Kaplan. Where's the link of that? No, it's not easy to search. There's some journal articles like that. So you need to go to its real website, its real source. So once again, Google is gonna be our friend on this. There you go. I saw it already. Self-esteem, and might as well that you utilize the DOI. Hmm. There you go, and it's loading. This is the paper we're looking for. But how are you gonna cite it? This is a book chapter in an edited book. Its citation is different from any journal article. Mm, but I'm gonna help you along the way in order to cite it. So let's give you help here. That's for the last one. The DOI show you some tactics, people. Later, that's gonna be our problem. But oh no, before I get to leave that, you need to get Yib. The author, where is it? Just gonna go. And then the title itself, I'm gonna copy it, and then the name of the name, the year, the pages, the book. Okay. Oh, let me see. And then there should be the editors. Hopefully there's an editor here. Okay. Search for the editor, not leave them. And then you need to know where this one has been published. Where is that? Academic Press. You have all the details. Good. But how are you going to cite that using APA 7? You must not use the ones in which you get to write APA 7, APA 7. Click that APA 7. APA 7 citation generator. This doesn't work. It's fake. It's ugly. I saw my students using them and I didn't get any good results. Because we are detail oriented, we need to see if they are using right capitalization, the italics are correct, the commas are there, parentheses, and so on. I don't I don't approve of this. Don't use that. I'll give you one short tactic. Copy that. Go to Chat GPT. That's my ally actually. Okay. But to give you a caveat, people, where am I now? Okay. Use APA 7 in formatting this. Same with websites and with books and journals. This one is helpful. There you go. This is amazing, isn't it? And then this is what you need to copy. And there you go, people. You've got a properly reference edited book. But how come this one has been changed here? Because it's a notepad. So I just when's the one which needs to be italicized is the book name. Where's the book name? Italicized once again. Okay, just pretend it's italicized. All right, this is one thing that you need to be careful of as well because notepads don't have that kind of formatting. They use a word instead. And then the DOI should be hyperlinked for easy access. Mhm. One tactic. Okay. I think we deviated a bit. We almost forgot this. Instead of five, we're going to deal with four because we already conquered one. It's there. Okay. I want to know the DOIs of these things. So we go to simple text query. That's what we were talking a while ago. Copy them all and submit. Now you've got all the DOIs. If the DOI doesn't show up, there are two things. One, it's so old. And two, it's a fake reference. It's an AI hallucination. And we don't like that. Vanquish it. So as you see, it still needs improvement. Therefore, you ask the help of ChatGPT. Okay. use APA 7 to format these references. I'm gonna go here and let's go. There you go. Through the algorithmic powers of this platform, you would be able to fix the italics and then the DYs and so on and so forth. I mean, that's now following APA 7. And then I just need to paste it, not on the notepad, not like me here. Should be on a, okay, on a Word document. I think I need to give a Word document for you now. Automatic Word document. Is there something like that there? Nope. Maybe I go with Google. What do you call that? Google document, something like that. Mhm. I need to sign. There. Oh, you see, the italics have not changed. But what is this white blank there? Okay, I'm just gonna click X and then I'm gonna this one. No. I just need to copy the last one a while ago. There you go. But that's not the end. Of course, references should be alphabetized. Okay. Go to ChatGPT once again and ask for it to be really alphabetized. Or you might use some tactics here. I don't know if it's here on this Google document. I have this kind of function on Word and I just clicked it and automatically it arranges things up for me. But because we don't have that much time to navigate it, I can only utilize my browser. You can use, well, I can use ChatGPT. I'll use it then. Alphabetize it. I don't like the numbers on the left side, therefore, I will ask ChatGPT to remove them. Remove the numbers on the left side. This one is fine now, people. It is loading. It is writing. You just need to be patient. Mhm. I'm gonna copy this, paste it there. There you go, my references now complete. So that's it in the meantime. Hopefully, all these tools were helpful and are gonna be helpful for you. But here's the thing. I need to say this right now. I need to go to where my face. Guys, please remember these AI tools are like a dive. What do I mean by that? Its power, should I say, its effects are dependent on the wielder, though the person who has that knife. This knife can be a means for a life-saving instrument. I mean, no. What am I saying right now? This knife can be a tool for a life-saving procedure, but if and so long as it is handled by a person who's expert, competent, and responsible. On the other hand, a knife can hurt or even kill people if that is handled by somebody who's careless, irresponsible, incompetent, what am I driving at? Utilize AI, but yeah, you must not be dependent on that only. You need to improve yourself. You need to be skillful, you need to be responsible, you need to know exactly what you're doing. After all, it's not AI that we blame if it says something wrong, or it puts forward misinformation or biases. It's the person who handled it. Good luck, guys, and ace your research very well. Take care.